There are many ways someone can chat with you on the BiiB app. The first and fastest way doesn't require your contact to install the app. On your chat listing screen right here, tap on the top right menu and select the QR code option. Here, select the BiiB Web tab on the right side. Now, you can see your BiiB Web QR code. If your contact is standing right next to you, please ask them to scan this QR code using their QR code reader on their mobile phone. Otherwise, share this link with them. You can also copy and paste it on a separate messaging software such as email, SMS, WhatsApp, Line, or KakaoTalk. They will eventually be redirected to their web browser, where they can access the BiiB Web app. This web app works on a PC web browser as well. Here, they need to select their language. Once done, they can start chatting with you in their language, and you can reply in your language. The other common method requires your contact to install the BiiB app and search for your username. To find your username on the BiiB app, go to Settings, then select the Account menu. Here you can view your username. Next, on your contact's BiiB app, ask them to tap on the red icon at the bottom right. Then, tap on the Username tab. Here, they can search for your username. Now, they can begin chatting with you. Another method will invite your contact to download the BiiB app if they have not done so. You should tap on the top right menu icon on your BiiB app and choose the QR code option. Immediately, your QR code will appear. If the person is with you, ask them to scan this QR code. If they are away, share this link or copy it and send them the URL. Once they scan the QR code or click on the link, they will be redirected to the Apple App Store or Google Play directly. Here, they can download the app for free. Once they have opened the BiiB app for the first time, they should choose their preferred language. Then, they need to enter their name and username. No phone number or email address is required. Once all that is done, your username will appear, and they can start chatting with you in their native language.